Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing and preparing your account so funds flow smoothly. Verify your email and phone, then enable two-factor authentication. This prevents blocked withdrawals. Once done, add a payment method, PayPal, Bank ACH, or a crypto wallet, and confirm small deposits. Next, prepare your listings. Take clean screenshots, note rarity or stats, and set an asking price range. Make sure to price slightly above fees so you net money. This gets you ready to publish without delays. You now create effective listings and drive visibility. Fill titles and tags with precise keywords. Upload 3 to 4 sharp images so buyers trust the item. Then choose pricing. Set a firm price, allow offers, or enable instant buy for faster sales. Each choice affects speed versus final price. Once listed, promote strategically. Use in platform boosts, share on Discord channels and Twitter, and engage niche communities where buyers gather. This combination increases views. You finish by closing sales and securing payouts. When a buyer pays, confirm the transaction and immediately initiate the transfer or withdrawal. Be mindful of platform holds and processing times. If limits block withdrawals, complete KYC steps or wait the specified hold period. This prevents frozen funds. Make sure to account for fees so you know net proceeds. If anything goes wrong, contact support with the order ID, clear screenshots, and timestamps. This speeds resolution and gets your money released.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.